Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade Ludo. First, gather your materials. You will need a large piece of cardboard, some white paper, a ruler, and colorful markers or paints. Don't forget a pair of dice and 16 small tokens, 4 for each of the 4 players. Having everything ready makes the crafting process smooth and enjoyable for everyone involved. Next, let's design the Ludo board. Start by drawing a large square about 20 inches by 20 inches on your cardboard. Divide this into 4 equal sections. Each section will be a player's home base. Then, carefully draw the main playing path, which consists of 72 individual squares leading to a central home area. Precision here ensures a fair and fun game. Now for the fun part, adding color. Assign a unique color, like red, blue, green, and yellow, to each of the 4 player quadrants. Use these same colors for their respective starting paths and home columns. Draw small circles or squares for the starting points and the final home cells. For extra durability, you can cover your finished board with clear adhesive film, making it last for many games. Finally, let's prepare your game pieces. You'll need 16 tokens in total, 4 for each player, matching the colors on your board. You can use small buttons, beads, or even sculpt them from clay. If you don't have dice, you can craft one from a small wooden cube, marking its 6 sides with dots from 1 to 6. Now your homemade Ludo game is ready for countless hours of fun.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.